I'm John McGrath, and this is my masterclass on future-focused PPM. Commercial engineering projects cover a very broad scope of government and private projects. These projects work across industry sectors and can range from industrial, manufacturing, retail, recreation, healthcare, education, and sport. The project lifecycle in these projects is typically from detailed design stage to planning to construction to commissioning and a closeout on the completion of the project. Success in these projects is achieved by the contractor and client working hand in glove with a range of technical specialists and subcontractors. These specialists may assist with a wide variety of tasks, ranging from feasibility studies, health and safety, environmental impact assessment, permits, and complex civil engineering projects. Commercial engineering project organizations typically have niche expertise. This may be in mechanical or electrical engineering, or in a specialist discipline such as building a clean room for a manufacturing organization. In commercial engineering projects, there are often a team of project engineers who support the project manager, and it is not unusual for a project engineer to have a dual role also as a project manager. The project engineer also acts as a communication channel between the technical disciplines and the project management team. They work with stakeholders at all levels of the project environment and are often solely responsible for budget and schedule management within an individual project.